Enter the Lucid Gravity, an ultra-luxury electric SUV aiming to outshine the Tesla Model X. Built on Lucid's advanced platform, it offers seating for 7 and a flexible, spacious interior. Targeting over 440 miles of range, it's set to be the longest-range electric SUV. The interior is pure luxury. A massive 34-inch 5K display, top-tier materials, and serene comfort. Rapid charging with 900+ volt architecture. It's positioned against the best from Mercedes, BMW, and Tesla. For those seeking the pinnacle of electric luxury and range, Gravity is the new benchmark. If you want the best and can afford it, this is the one to watch. The Nissan Ariya E4 Orse brings advanced all-wheel drive to the electric crossover game. Its dual-motor system delivers precise torque and smooth, stable handling in all conditions. The design is sleek and modern, with a premium, lounge-like interior. Features like a power-sliding center console and haptic climate controls set it apart. With E4 Orse, the Ariya is a strong competitor for buyers in snowy or challenging climates. It's a refined, tech-forward choice in a crowded segment. The Rivian R2 is the adventure brand's more affordable, compact SUV. Think of it as a smaller sibling to the R1S, but designed to be even more city-friendly and accessible for everyday drivers. It's Rivian's answer to those who want electric adventure, but in a package that fits tight parking spots and busy urban streets. The R2 keeps the signature Rivian look, with its bold front light bar and rugged stance, but it's packed with clever features. Inside you'll find fold-flat seats that make camping or hauling gear a breeze, and pop-out rear windows for extra ventilation, perfect for road trips or spontaneous adventures. The interior is thoughtfully designed, with smart storage solutions and high-quality materials throughout. Designed for both urban life and weekend getaways, the R2 is practical enough for daily commutes, yet rugged enough for off-the-grid escapes. Whether you're navigating city traffic or heading out to the mountains, it adapts seamlessly to your lifestyle. With a starting price around $45,000, the R2 is positioned to be one of the most accessible electric SUVs in its class. It targets over 300 miles of range, even in the tri-motor version, so you can travel farther without worrying about frequent charging stops. That's impressive for a vehicle this size and price. Plus, access to Tesla's supercharger network is a huge plus, making long-distance travel even more convenient and opening up thousands of fast-charging locations across the country. The R2 brings Rivian's adventurous spirit to a broader audience, appealing to families, young professionals, and anyone looking for a versatile EV that's ready for anything, from daily errands to epic road trips. Early demand is massive, pre-orders are already piling up, and excitement is building. If Rivian can deliver on its promises, the R2 could become a breakout hit and redefine what people expect from an electric SUV. It's the right EV at the right time for the brand, arriving as more drivers look for affordable, capable electric vehicles that don't compromise on style or utility. With the R2, Rivian could cement its place as a major EV player, setting a new standard for what an electric SUV can be. That's a look at 10 electric cars set to define 2025. From affordable options like the Tesla Model 2 and Chevy Equinox EV to luxury and adventure with Lucid Gravity and Rivian R2, there's something for everyone. The EV market is finally offering real choice for every type of driver. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more EV news and reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next. The Chevrolet Equinox EV is GM's affordable mass-market electric SUV. Starting around $35,000, it's designed to compete with both EVs and gas SUVs. The sleek modern design stands out, with options like a two-tone roof and flush door handles, 2 battery sizes, FWD or AWD, and up to 319 miles of range give buyers flexibility. Inside, a 17.7-inch infotainment screen and 11-inch digital cluster bring high-tech vibes. The flat floor means spacious seating and cargo room, perfect for families. If Chevy delivers on price and features, the Equinox EV could be a game-changer for mainstream EV adoption. The Polestar 4 is a bold SUV coupe with a twist. No rear window. Instead, a rear camera feeds a digital mirror, giving a wider, clearer view and allowing for a full-length glass roof. The design is low, sleek, and aerodynamic, with up to 544 horsepower and 0-60 in 3.8 seconds for the dual-motor version. A single-motor option targets over 300 miles of range. The minimalist interior uses sustainable materials and features a 15.4-inch Google-based infotainment system. Advanced driver assistance and safety tech come standard. The Polestar 4 is for those who want standout design, performance, and a glimpse of the future. The Lucid Gravity is redefining what it means to drive a luxury electric SUV. With its bold, futuristic design and commanding presence on the road, the Gravity stands out in any environment, whether gliding through city streets or cruising along a winding scenic highway. Lucid's attention to detail is evident in every curve and surface, making the Gravity not just a vehicle, but a statement of innovation and style. Thanks to Lucid's groundbreaking miniaturized powertrain, the Gravity offers an exceptionally spacious interior. There's comfortable seating for up to 7 adults, so families and friends can travel together in style. The panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, creating an open, airy atmosphere. And with a massive cargo area, you'll have plenty of room for luggage, sports gear, or anything else your adventures require. Under the hood, the Gravity delivers more than just comfort. It's engineered for exhilarating performance. Expect over 440 miles of all-electric range on a single charge, so you can travel farther with confidence. And when it comes to acceleration, the Gravity rivals supercars, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds. It's a thrilling experience every time you press the pedal. The advanced 900V Plus electrical architecture means you spend less time charging and more time on the road. With ultra-fast charging capabilities, you can add up to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes, perfect for busy lifestyles and spontaneous road trips. Charging is simple, efficient, and designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine. Step inside, and you'll discover a floating glass cockpit that blends cutting-edge technology with elegant design. Multiple digital displays keep you connected and informed, while versatile storage solutions ensure everything has its place. Every detail, from the premium materials to the thoughtful ergonomics, is crafted to deliver first-class comfort for every passenger, no matter where they're seated. The Gravity is built for active families and adventurers alike. With flat folding seats, you can easily expand the cargo space for larger items. The huge front trunk or frunk adds even more storage flexibility. And with impressive towing capacity, you can bring along bikes, trailers, or camping gear, making every journey as versatile as your lifestyle. With its blend of luxury, innovation, and performance, the Lucid Gravity is poised to set a new benchmark for electric SUVs when it arrives in 2025. It's more than just a vehicle, it's the future of family travel, reimagined. That's a look at the most exciting EVs coming in 2025. From the refined Model 3 to the affordable Equinox and the luxurious Lucid Gravity, the EV landscape is exploding with options. Competition means better tech, more choices, and lower prices for everyone. These aren't experiments, they're refined, capable vehicles ready to take on gas cars. Which 2025 EV are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more on the future of cars. See you next time.